Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be cooking chicken cacciatore. And I have 3 large breasts. I have 2 eggs and I put a little water in it with some garlic. I have panko for my breading. And then I have my skillet over there, and we'll get to that. And that's already, the panko already has the seasoning in it, which was garlic and so forth. Okay. Now we have the pico and we have the egg wash. And then I have a plate. First, I've got them sitting in the egg wash. And I'll be honest with you, I put a little bit of garlic juice in there to give a little bit more garlic kick. And I put it in the pico. these are going to be going in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I put it on 400. Okay, as you can see, I've already drained my pasta. Now, pasta it's a little finicky. Not everybody's made spaghetti before, but traditionally, pasta is supposed to be cooked and started with a hot boiling water, then you add your noodles to al dente. And the reason why I say that is because noodles continue to cook while they're hot. Now, have you ever wondered why your noodles all stick together? The reason is because the gluten in the noodles causes them to stick. So what we do is I add a little bit of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, just add a little bit of butter. And all you're doing is just coating it so they don't stick into one big ball. Now you can use a little bit of sauce if you want to. All depends on how you want to serve it. Some people don't like their sauce mixed in with their spaghetti, so to keep it from sticking, try to add a little bit of butter or olive oil to it, or a little sauce. Okay, now while that is sitting for just a minute resting, a regular jar of ragu, and I'm going to pour this in. It's just a regular 16 ounce, 24 ounce of ragu. And open it. Okay. Pour that in. Then I'm going to take a can, and we're going to put this in here. And we're just going to add a couple little seasonings to it. I don't want it too leafy, but I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And a little bit more garlic. I'm not going to add any salt because my diced tomatoes were in a can, and canned diced tomatoes always have a lot of sauce. I mean salt. Look at the salt. Okay, I'll put this on low. Then we're just going to simmer this. And let that simmer for a few minutes. And then we'll be back in just a second. Okay, so as you can see, my spaghetti sauce has been simmering for a little bit. And so what I'm going to do now is I am going to re-enter my spaghetti back into my pot. And I like my sauce with my spaghetti, so. And I'm wanting that to be within my noodles, so it needs to kind of simmer for a few minutes. And I want it to absorb the essence of the sauce. So we have the chicken here, and then we have the pasta.